Welcome to all of you. We will see the course Entrepreneurship Development and Communication Skills. Okay, in that today's topic is advertisement, meaning, definition, functions and the types of advertisement. Advertisement. The word advertising is derived from the Latin word advertise, which means to turn the mind. It is the turning one's attention to the message of either a product or a service, called as advertisement. An advertisement provides information about the product, services and ideas, influences the choices one makes. This is the meaning of advertisement. And in definition, advertising is the paid dissemination of the information for the purpose of the selling. Next, we will see the functions of advertisement. In that first one, basic functions of advertisement. First function is marketing function. It serves a marketing function by helping companies to sell their products. In that, personal selling, sales promotion and advertising blend together to help market the product. Second function is education function. In that, people learn about the new goods and the services or the improvements in existing ones through the advertising. Then third function is economic function. Advertising plays an economic role. The ability to advertise allows the new competitors to enter the business or the competition, and it encourages the product improvement and can lead to the lower the prices of the product. Then next function is social function. Displaying the material and the cultural opportunities available in the society. This is a social function. Then second, general functions of advertisement. And the purpose of advertising is to sell the goods, services or an idea through the effective communication. In that, first function is promotion of new product. Advertising helps in making entry of the new product or the services in the market, called as a promotion. Then second function is support to the personal selling. Advertising move the product nearer to the point of purchase, and the advertising makes favorable conditions for the salesman, as many things are known to the audience due to the advertising. The next one is the brand patronage. Advertising has great effect on the brands and the companies, and in this, brand ambassadors helps in this process. The advertising program aims at consumers' awareness and a positive attitude. Next function is immediate buying action. Advertising attempt to obtain immediate buying action by the audience. The different advertisement techniques like the mail order advertisement, point purchase advertisement, direct action retail advertisement, price deal offers, last chance offers and the special advertisement persuade the audience to make the prompt option. Next one is the Pre-sold goods. Well-advertised brands helps for the pre-sold goods. Buyers are pulled by the sure customers and goods are sold without the active help of counter sale force. Next one is the dealer support. Big firms advertise extensively and intensively to support the dealers and the distributors so that they can assure the accelerated distribution of the product. The next one is the types of the advertising. Advertising is accepted as an important part of the any social system, and a large majority of the population feels that it creates the better product and services for the society. There are different types of the advertisement. In that, first one is the consumer advertising. Most of the consumer goods producers engage in consumer product advertising. For example, market of pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, scooters, car, soaps are using this type of advertising. Next type is the classified advertising. It provides valuable information in fact manner. For example, information about the employment market such as vacancy, about health, about marriage, about change of names, about the availability of various services such as tuitions, matrimonial advertisement. These advertisements are called as a classified advertising. Next type is the public service advertising. These are devised by the non-profit organizations to answer a public need. This type of advertising focuses on social issues like family planning, national integration, population, and campaigns against alcohol. Next type is industrial advertising. In this type, machinery and large outlets are involved. The descriptions in such advertisements are precise and technical. The next type is the institutional advertising. The aim of this type of advertising is the building up of a good public image or an institute. This type focuses on a company's activities in the research, development and the quality control, on its sponsorship of the educational, cultural and the sport programs, and on its consumer services and the social service program. For example, advertisement of achievement of government or the Indian Railways. This is the type of institutional advertisement. And the next type is the product advertising. This type is designed to promote the sale or the reputation of a particular product or brand. This type of advertisement concerns the product itself or some of its features such as the service, price or the quality directly associated with it. This is all about the advertisement, meaning, definition, functions and the types of advertisement. Thank you.